What's going on, guys? It's me, Jeff, host of the Foodie Hideout on YouTube and Instagram. I want to give you a quick introduction about myself to tell you what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, and hopefully, get you a like, subscribe, follow the channel. This page started out as a page for people to kind of explore their palate as far as vegetables go. So this channel is basically a way to express that to you guys, give you good recipes, give you good ideas, give you things that you may try on family members that they may not have tried before. Kind of maybe not necessarily trick them, but kind of trick their taste buds a little bit to let them know that, hey, there are ways you can cook vegetables that are good and beneficial for everyone, exciting and fun. It'll give you a little more confidence in the kitchen, knowing that you can create these things right from your home. You don't have to go out to a restaurant to get it. You'll learn that when you cook from your home yourself, that a lot of your food will probably taste better over time anyway. Not discrediting any restaurants or chefs out there, because you guys do awesome work. You inspire me. But I just want you to know that, hey, it's possible to do from your home. It's affordable. You don't necessarily have to get into buying expensive product unless you're looking at more processed items. But if you buy the whole foods, plant-based and natural things, you're gonna see that it's really fun and you can get some. If you want to follow the channel, you can follow me on YouTube. It's at Foodie Hideout. You can follow me on Instagram at foodie.hideout. You can also join the somewhat vegan vegetarian group called I Can't Believe It's Vegan on Facebook. Just send me an invite request and I'll gladly accept you in. I just want to get the word around, get the awareness around, get people motivated, get people talking about it, get people doing the research, get people sharing their recipes and ideas, and get people involved. Because through food, I believe that we can bring people together. So I hope you like the channel, I hope you like this video, and if you want to see some particular content from me or recipes, feel free to shout it out in the comment or the message, or we can collaborate on some things. Just hit me up. Foodie Hideout out. Nice to meet you all, and I hope you really enjoyed the channel. Thank you.